You do that, and then you move on to this platform again, and you just fill out that information, copy and paste. It's that simple. Hey guys, so I found this new method of making money using ChatGPT and AI with no money to get started, and it's easy to copy and paste. So before we start, I want to preface this by saying this is a side hustle, and it's not and should not be your main source of income, and you should build many sources of income for long-term success. So keep that in mind, and let's get started. You see here, there's many services posted in this platform, and you would notice there is high demand for resume and cover letter recently due to increase in unemployment rates. So you see here people charging from 35, 57, 14, 42 up to 100 and hundreds of dollars. And if you choose to click on one of those, you will see that they charge 106 for one page resume, 142 for 2 pages, 178 for 2 to 3 with a cover letter, and the delivery time is 7 days. And you see, this is where we can provide more value. We can deliver this in less than 24 hours for much less than 178. We could deliver for 100 or 90 or 80, and the service is in demand now. So there is a great opportunity here. And what we're going to be using is ChatGPT. I don't know if you know what ChatGPT is. For people who don't know, it is a platform to generate text. It can do a lot more than that, but what we will focus on right now is its ability to generate human-like text. The platform where we're going to be posting our services will be Fiverr. I'm sure you know what Fiverr is, but it's just a platform to post services. And I will show you right now, step by step, how to do this. So in here on ChatGPT, what you want to do is write the following. Build a sample resume for a junior software developer or whatever position the person wants, the amount of experience they have and the skills they have. And click on generate. And you will see, we'll generate a template. And what you want to do is copy this. But before copying this, you want to do this step where it will make the resume even better. You want to say here, add keywords tech to the resume. So you say add whatever the industry is in this resume. So this resume is in the tech industry. You want to add keywords in the tech industry, and this is going to make it a whole lot better. See, this is where we want to make our service better than everyone else by providing more keywords, so that when they hand in that resume to whatever company they want, their machine, which is going to scan their resume, will be able to pick up on those keywords and get them an interview. So what we want to deliver is a great service. See, that's our main goal. So now you copy this skills, whatever it is, software developer in whatever company, in whatever location, and all this kind of information. You want to copy it onto this platform called resume.com. And on here, you want to say create my resume. Continue. You would say continue as a guest. So in here, you select the fields and you fill it out with the information that the buyer provides you with. So their address, state, country, zip, first and last name, all this kind of information. You fill it out here and download the resume after signing in. You do the same as well for cover letter. So for the cover letter, it's very similar. You just say exactly the same. You say write a sample cover letter for whatever skills or information provided above. So here we typed junior software developer with this amount of skills. So you write the same, and you're gonna see it's gonna fill it out in the same format or manner. And what do you want to do at the end? The same thing as well. Add keyword to whatever industry this cover letter is in. You do that, and then you move on to this platform again, and you just fill out that information, copy and paste. It's that simple. And then you sign in and download. So when you make the post, I want you to make it specialized. So what I noticed is that there is obviously a demand for writing resume, but even more for specialized services. So here you see I will help you with resume and cover letter for finance applications. This service charges double whatever we saw before, right? You can see here as well, you can charge less and more as much as you want, but those specialized services cost even more because they're specialized. So you can do one for tech and one for finance. You can do one for whatever industry you want. And you can see here as well, they charging 200, 228, 270. You see, it's crazy numbers here. And the quickest they can get it is in 2 days. We can get it in less than 24 hours. So keep that in mind. So in summary, what you want to do is go to ChatGPT, get the template, right? Create a sample for a software developer, whatever the person wants, whatever industry. Add keywords, remember to add the keywords, and then generate the templates. And then take those templates and give it to the buyer. Where are you going to post the services is in Fiverr. How are you going to post the services? You're going to make specialized posts. So one for finance, one for tech, and so forth. This way you can capitalize in a growing market providing specialized services in a timely manner. So we're adding value for an in-demand service at lower cost. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, take care.